the class. So yesterday we were discussing about the concept regarding to the area of isosceles triangle. Can you just quickly remind me what was the formula of area of an isosceles triangle if these two are the common sides having equal value and B is the base? So what is the formula of the area of this isosceles triangle?
So b by 4
Hmm.
root of 4a square minus b square.
Very good. Then the Pythagoras theorem, I told you, you can also find this area by using Pythagoras theorem. Can you highlight me that part? So what we can do if we draw a height, means if you draw an altitude, that altitude will always bisect the base. That altitude will always bisect the base. So the other way, what we can do, we can use the formula half into base into height. That height, which is nothing but you can find easily by using this Pythagoras theorem, this triplet A, B by 2 and H. So that this is the other way. Either you this formula is actually derived from that only. So this is height where your height is nothing but when you say your height is nothing but under root a square minus b square by 2. So this we prove also, you remember. So this altitude is also called as median. You remember no what is median? Median always bisect the opposite side and divide the triangle having equal area. Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem, what is Apollonius theorem? AB square plus AC square will be equal to 2 times of AD square plus BC square. This is Apollonius theorem if AD is the median. What is the point where all the medians of the triangle intersect? What we call that point? The point where all the medians of the triangle intersect. That is called centroid. Okay, Dhwani?
Yes, sir.
That we call a centroid. Centroid is the point where all the medians of the triangle intersect. And centroid always divide the median in the ratio 2:3. Centroid always divide the median in the ratio 2:3. Okay, and you can remember if x1 x if x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x3 y3 are the three coordinates of the three vertices of the triangle, then what is the coordinate of centroid? So the coordinate of centroid, you remember, that was x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 2. That was the coordinate of the centroid. I hope you remember this is good revision. So now we have done yesterday till question number 16. Okay, so we'll do question number 17. Okay. Tell me the answer, question 17 answer.
Yes, sir.
Should I do, Tony?
Yes, sir.
So either one formula, one way, one. One way we can use that formula, area is equal to b by 4 under root of 4a square minus b square. Like this is the one way. So if I do like this way, this I'll get the area 192. Base is given 24 by 4 under root 4a square minus base is 24. 24 का square. Let it be right for the time we write this only. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then if you divide 192 by 6, you'll get 32 is equal to under root 4a square minus 24 square. Now squaring both sides, so 32 square is 1024. This is 4a square minus 576. Now what I can do, I add 1024 plus 576. I'll get 10, 1600. So 1600 is equal to 4a square. So means a square is equal to 400, means a is equal to 20. So if I get a is equal to 20, if I get a is 20, a is 20, 20, base is 24, I can find the perimeter. So perimeter would be 64. Perimeter is sum of all sides.
Yes, sir.
This is the one way. The other way, if you don't want to use this formula, in case normally this formula we'll forget as the time will pass. Because right now we are practicing, so we know the formula. Gradually we'll forget this formula. So you can simply take the help of Pythagoras theorem. You can simply take the help of Pythagoras theorem again. So this is the triangle and the base is 24. So this will be 12, this will be 12. And okay, so now just let this height is h. You know the formula, half into base. Base is 24, height is h. That is equal to 192. If I solve this, I'll get h is equal to 16. If I get h equal to 16, so I think this would be 20. How 20? Pythagoras theorem. 16 square is 256, 14 square is 144. This will be 400. So this is 20. Once I get this 20, so this will be 20, I'll get the perimeter value. I think this is a much more easier way. Any doubt, Rohit?
No, sir.
So you can remember in the isosceles triangle, this that altitude always bisects the base. That works for both isosceles and equilateral. But equilateral we normally don't require, because equilateral we have a lot of what do you say, instrument to prove anything. Isosceles, this will become more significant.
Sir, I'm getting two answers.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm getting 8 and 6, 8 or 6.
8 or 6 you are getting. Okay. So you are solving it like this.
Sir, I use the isosceles area formula of isosceles triangle.
That's what I'm trying to do. The area is given 12. B by 4 is equal to under root 4a square minus b.
Yes, sir. 48 is equal to, when you square on both sides, it'll become 2, 3.
48 square is how much? 2 minus
So 230,
4.
when you square on both sides, it'll become 2304
2304.
is equal to b
100
square,
b
100
square
minus.
minus b to the power 4 is equal to 2304. So if I write it here, 100 b square, 100 b square minus b to the power 4 is equal to 2304. 2304. So this I can write as b to the power 4 minus 100 b square. Uh, this is minus 2304 into this side, b to the power 4 minus 100 b square plus 2304 is equal to 0. So now I can use that formula. Alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus under root 4 ac by 2a. I can use that formula. So the root, this is biquadratic. So 4 values you will get of b because of maximum power of b is 4. So alpha and beta, so that we will get b square, that is minus minus this is what b square b square. So this is minus 100 plus minus 100 square double zero minus plus minus 2304 into 4. This is 16 12 9 9216 9216 by 2a. This is 2a. Here alpha and beta you get minus 100 plus minus how much you get this? Divide 9216 9 minus 1 8 9 minus 7 784 784 square root it means 784 this number is square root 28. So here which value you are getting? So that your alpha and beta this is minus plus. This is 100 minus 28 by 2 and the other value you are getting is 100 plus 28 by 2. Alpha and beta. What is 100 minus 28? 72, right? Divide by 2, 36. This is 128 by 2 means 64. Ultimately, because this is biquadratic equation, so you will get b square. So b square is either 36 and b square is either 64. Now the b value is plus minus 6 or b value is plus minus 8. So we get 4 values of b. So negative, so we're not going to consider. So the b is either 6 or either 8. You understood this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now do this.
Sir, why is B 4A by 3?
This is written that if base is 2 by 3 times the sum of equal sides. Sum of equal sides. So I assume the equal side as A. So 2A, 2/3 of 2A means 4A by 3. But I'm getting in decimal, yeah.
Oh, okay, sir.
Check if your answer is in decimal. Normally in triangle, you should not put in decimal. Question. Yeah, 12 points is correct. Yeah, this is correct. Did you understand this? It is given this you understood.
Yes, sir.
This part you understood. This is given. Then what is given is it is given that base is B. Its base is 2 by 3 times the sum of equal sides. So equal sides are assumed as A and base is B. So sum of equal sides. So base is equal to 2 by 3 of sum of equal sides 2A equal to 4A by 3. So here
Yes, sir.
way and here write 4A by 3 is 42. So this is 10A by 3 is 42. So A is equal to 12.6. To get A is equal to 12.6, I'll get B. B is 4 by 3 into 12.6. This will be 4.2. This will be 16.8. Find the length of each side. We got the length and the area of the triangle. Find the area. We'll see if Pythagoras works. Then it will become easy for you. This is 12.6 and half of this is 8.4. If the Pythagoras works, the square and trouble. So A is 12.6. A is 12.6. A is 12.6 and your uh, B is how much? B is 16.8. So goes to 126 square. Let me try this Pythagoras theorem if it works. 126 square. How to find 126 square, Dhwani? 126 I can write 100 plus 26. Yeah, Dhwani? So what is 26 square? 670.
Yes, sir.
So what is 26 square? 676. Write 2 digits, 76, 6 carry. Always write 2 digits. 126 plus 26 is 152. 152 plus 6, 158. So what is 12.6 square? 158.76. Okay, what is half of this? 8.4
8.4
square. So 84
square.
square. 84 square. I can write 100 minus 16.
16, yes, sir.
Square 256. Right, 56 2 carry. 84 minus 16 will be how much? 68 is it? 84 minus 16. 8 से 14
Yes, sir.
plus 4. 7056.
Yes, sir.
8.4 square will be 70.56. So I'll check 158.76, 70.56. If I subtract, will I get triplet? Means will I get perfect square? Not 8. This is 8. No, you're not getting perfect square. You are getting 88. 88 is not a perfect square, so better leave this. Better solve by step. So this is A, this is B. So apply area formula. Area formula B under root 4a square minus b square. B is 16.8 divided by 4a square. 12.6 square minus 16.8 square. Area, this is B. How much? 4.2. 4 into this is 12.6 square. 126 square already I found. I forgot what I found. 126 square. I'll write as 100 plus 26. I don't know. 76. I'll write 76. 6 carry 158. 158. 158.76 minus 168 square. 168 square I can write Dhoni. 150 plus 18.
Yes, sir.
Square. 18 square 324. 3 will go carry. 168 plus 18 will be how much? 186. 171, 186. 8, 16, 1 carry. 186. Now you are comparing with 150. 150 is how many times of 100? 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. So this is 93 3s are 279 plus 3. 279 plus 3 means 282. This is 168 square. And 1, how much? 282.24. 282.24. This will be your area. This is 4.2. Then this solve this. So 158.76 goes the 24 2 carry. 28 30 3 carry. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35. 3 carry. 20 23 2 carry. 6, correct? Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
this you subtract with 282.240, then 8, and then this is 2, and this is 5 5. This is 0 8. This is 2, and this is 5 5 minus 2 3 352.8. Check calculation mistake. 10 4 5 13 1 carry 6, correct. This is the area. So under root of 352.8 into 4.2. Under root of 352.8. I want, this is 1 1 1 plus 1 2. 1 1 the 1 152. Then 26 6 are 25 5 are 125. 26 6 are 156 na 156. So this is 5 16 square. 15 square 225. 16 square is 256. 17 square 289. 18 square 324. So it should go in 18. No? How come? This is 2. No, that's what I wanted. This is 252. So 252. It should can't be 15. No? So 18 is 324. 19 is 361. So this should go by 18. So 28 8 is 68 8 is 64 6 carry. 8 16 plus 6 20 224. 224. 224. 224. 224. This is 2880. This is 36. This is 36. 36. 36 table. 36 table. Check in 36 table where it will go. 36. 39 3 carry. 21. 367 7 49 4 carry. 42 plus 4. 46 4 carry. 21 2 5. I'll still be getting smaller number. 8 if I try. 8 64 6 carry. 48 54 5 carry. 24 29 2 9. So this will go by 7. Go by 7. This will go by 7. Go by 7. 367 7 49 4 carry. 42 plus 4 46 4 carry. 21 plus 4 2 5 6 9. 2 5 6 9. This is 1 1 300. So this is 374. 374. 374. Then Forza, if you try 16, 17, 29 to carry 14. So I try with 6, 36, 27 to carry 44, 4 carry 20, 22. 7 4 8 64 6 carry 38 3 carry 59 5 carry 29 374 9 81 8 carry 36 44 4 carry, then 63 67 6 carry 27 33. Okay, you're getting 18.78. Yeah, is 18.78 into 4. Multiply will get answer. Too much calculation required. 1878 and then 52. 8 is a 16 1 carry, 15 1 carry, 17 1 carry. Then this is 28 4 is a 32. No? 8 4 is a 32 3 carry, 31 3 carry, 35 3 carry. 6 7 8 8 7 7 8 8 7 6 3 decimal 78.876 something unit centimeter square over here. I don't know why they give such a complicated data. 78.87. Don't have any doubt about how to find square root and all.
No doubt, sir.
One, this all you clear. You see the 19th one. PQR is an isosceles triangle whose equal sides PQ and PR are 13 each. They are 13 each. And the base QR measures 10. So this will be 5. This will be 12. You know Pythagoras theorem. Your PS will be 12. Not only PS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem we remember. Triplets, that's why if you remember triplet, it becomes easy for us. PS is the perpendicular from P. Okay, fine. Okay, then okay, good. Then what is there? PS is a perpendicular for P on QR such that O is the point on PS such that angle QOR is 90 degree. QOR, this is 90 degree. This is 90. This is 90. Okay. This is 90 degree. And you know, if this is 5, you know this would be 10. Correct, no? Okay, that's
Yeah.
given only. Why I'm asking, there is given only. Okay, so find the area of shaded region. Okay. Okay, one minute, let me write it down here. Good question. So, this is 13, this is 12, and then this is total 10. We know this is 5, 5. And here we have drawn this. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Then you know this is 5. And this is 5. This side is 5. Okay, and this hole is 12. This hole is 12. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay. Hmm. Okay. PQ is isosceles triangle with whose equal side PQ intersection 13 base is equal to this much. So PS is a perpendicular from P and O is a point. Find the area of shaded region. So if I talk about this inside smaller triangle, I know this is only 5. O value I do. O value I don't know. How can I do this? Find the area of the shaded region. This is this triangle. This is 5. This is 5. What is the point of that given? You try this 20 by the time I'm seeing 19.
Yes, sir.
This is 5. This is 13. What is the point of doing that 13? 13, 5, 5. And the base is equal sides PQ and PR of 15. Base QR is now 10. PS is the perpendicular from the P to QR. Okay. And O is the point and PS has that angle QOR 90 degree. Find the area of shaded region. This is 10. This centroid by any chance is this centroid? Isosceles triangle. 2:3. 2:3. Divide the median in the ratio 2:3. 2/5. 2/5. If you see this triangle, PQR, PQ, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S, this is O. Now, if you see this, there's this triangle QOS, that will be congruent to the triangle ROS. They will be congruent.
Yes, sir.
So you know they are congruent. So when they are congruent, how will you prove they are congruent? Because this and this are equal. This is common side, and this is 90 degree. So with that you can prove that they are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then this side and this side will be equal. Correct? Then
Yes, sir.
your OQ, then your OQ equal to OR, then your OQ will be equal to OR. So in that case, and I know that then if you apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle, then in triangle QOR, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, I can say A square plus A square is 10 square. So I can say 2A square is 100. Then I say A square is 50. Then A is under root 50. So I got the A value. Then I can find the area. Or I can find the area of this triangle. What would be the area of this triangle? Area of triangle QOR. Area of triangle QR would be half into base into height. Base is also A, height is also A. Means A square half into 50, you get 25. This this is 50, this is 25. Area of this triangle is 25. And what is the area of this isosceles triangle? Area of this isosceles triangle is very easy. What is the area of the triangle PQR? So the area of triangle PQR would be nothing but half into base. Base is 10, height is 12. So this would be what? 60. Area of triangle PQR is 60 and area of triangle QOR is 25 and area of triangle QOR is 25. So what is shaded portion area? So the shaded portion area, that would be 60 60 minus 25, that would be 35 centimeters square, whatever. Here to So I found this area, the shaded portion. They want us to find the shaded portion area. The shaded portion area, how we found? We found the area of this smaller triangle QOR that we subtracted from the area of the triangle PQR.
Yes, sir.
Then the 21 perimeter of right triangle is 50, hypotenuse is 18. Hypotenuse is 18.
Also 175 centimeter square.
How you did?
Sir, so it says that the perimeter of a right triangle is 50 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 18. So find its area. So first perimeter is A plus B plus C is equal to 50. And the second one, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So the equation for the first equation will be A plus B plus C is equal to 50. A plus B is equal to 50 minus C. And when you square on the both the sides, you get A plus B whole square is equal to 50 minus C
Very
whole
good.
square.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
B square plus 2AB is 1024.
Yes, sir.
So 2AB, if you subtract 324, 900 you'll get.
1024.
1 minus
So 2AB
700.
will be 700.
700. Then A
Yeah.
is equal to 350.
Yes, sir.
AB is 350.
So area
What
of
is
the
the area
triangle.
formula? half into base
half into base
A
into
into
height.
B. Yeah, so
Yes,
half
sir.
into AB, so
So
half into
half into
350.
700 by 2. Yes, sir.
So AB, 2AB is 700, AB is 350, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you get 175. Correct, na?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Then parallelogram, what is the area formula parallelogram?
Sir.
What is the area formula of a parallelogram?
So base into height.
Okay, one more formula we discussed about parallelogram in the term of sine theta. Do you remember?
No, sir.
So, like, you remember when I talked about area of a triangle, like if you have a triangle like this, so A, B, C are the three sides, and this is angle theta. This is A, this is B, this is C. What is the area formula? Half A, B, sine theta, you remember? This is the area of triangle formula.
Yes, sir.
So same wise, when we talk about parallelogram, if we talk about any parallelogram A, B, C, D. So suppose if there's a parallelogram side A, this is side B, and the angle between them is theta. So the area formula here you can use is AB sine theta if it involves something. This is the formula which you can remember. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if that there's a diagonal called D. Suppose there's a diagonal D. So you can use heroin formula also here. So you can here what is a semi-perimeter? A plus B plus D by 2. That is semi-perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Then the area would be double. Means there are two triangles are there. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus D. Understood this? This you can
Yes, sir.
heroin formula you can use it here. Now tell me the first one answer. Base into height area. So 24. Next one will be how much?
5 into 2.8.
28 by 2,
20.
14.
4. Yes,
28 by
sir.
2, 14. Then 6. One zero 4.4 if I'm not wrong. 12 into 8.3 millimeters square. You got it one? Fourth one 6.5 into 4.8. Simple base into height. So 6.5 into 4.8. This is 65 by 10 into 48 by 10. This is 13 by 2 into 48 by 10. This is 24. 13 into 24 by 10. What is 13 for the 52? What is 13 to the 26? 312. 31.2 meters square.
Yes, sir.
So second one, 1 hour is equal to 100 meters square. That is given one. I was about to ask you 1 hour equal to how much meters square. Tell me the second one answer.
Yes, sir. So 7.5.
So 1 by 2 means how
So
much?
150, 100 by
150.
100 plus 50, yes, sir.
Yeah. 150 divided by 20 weighted,
7.5, sir.
you will get 7.5 meter. One minute, let me check from book what answers given. third one. 0.8. What is root 231? 16.5. The answer given is 4.8 from the book. Did you get the answer for this third one?
No, sir.
In the parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram. Parallelogram ABCD. AB is 8. AB is 8. What are the properties of parallelogram? BC is 5. Perpendicular drawn from A to CD. A to CD. Which structure should I draw? A to CD. Perpendicular drawn from A to CD. Perpendicular drawn from A to BC, right? Perpendicular drawn from A to CD is C. A to CD. A to CD. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Perpendicular drawn from A to CD. Okay, is 3. Suppose this is 3. AB is 8. AB is 8. Okay, and BC is 5. BC is 5. This is 5. This is 5. This is only 4. This would be 8. Fine. Now I'm asking you, what is the length of perpendicular drawn from B to AD? B to AD. B to AD. How will I draw the perpendicular from B to AD? Somewhat like this, if I'm not wrong. Something B on AD. Are you getting this, Dhoni? One meter. Should be less than this. Okay. Dhoni, what is the area of parallelogram? Dhoni,
Yes,
what
sir.
parallelogram formula?
So base into height or
That all that formula. So base into height. So Dhoni,
yes, sir.
in this relationship, what is the height here? Can you see that this 3 centimeter is the height?
Yes, sir.
3 centimeter is the height. And
Yes,
what is
sir.
the base here? 4? 8
4, yes,
centimeter.
sir.
Sorry, 8, not 4. This 8. This is the
Yes,
base.
sir. Yes, sir.
So now in this case, this would be the base. And this I want to find. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Area remain the same. So base into height, x1 into 5 will be equal to 8 into 4. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So x1 value would be 8 4 the 32 by 5. 8 4 the 32. 32.
Yes, sir.
5. 5 is the base. So this would be 6.4. Book wise it is 4.8. So the perpendicular drawn in the ABCD, perpendicular drawn from A to CD is 3 centimeters. Drawn from A to CD. BC is 5. BC is 5. So this would be 8. Yeah. So CD would be 8. That is 3. That is 3. This is 3, not 8. 3. This is 3. This is 24 by 5. 4.8. Simple, yeah. This was very simple question. Base into height formula we had to use. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
I was thinking Pythagoras and all. I was thinking simple base into height formula we had to use. Anyway, do this fourth one. Is it boring, Dhoni?
So 672 centimeter square.
1 minute. This is 20. And the diagonal is how much?
42.
So how you found the area, Dhoni?
So first I did the Heron's formula, root of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus
Very
C.
good, very good.
And after that, the diagonals can be divided into like two congruent triangles. So it'll be 2 into 336, 672.
Very good, very good. So I will simply s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Would have used this. So what is the s here? Semi-perimeter 34 plus 42 is 76. Huh? 76 plus 20, 96. 96 by 2 is 48. So we got the s value as 48. So s is 48. 48. 48 minus 20. 28. 48. 48. 48. 48 minus 20. 28. 48 minus 42, 6. And 48 minus 34 is 14. Area is equal to 48. 48 means 6 8s are. 48 is 12 4s are. 12 4s are. 12 is 2 square into 3. 4 is 2 square. Means 2 to the power 4. 16 into 3. 28 is 7 into 2 square. 6 is 3 into 2. 14 is 2 into 7. Simply will find the area. This is 2 under root. This is 4.
So 4 into 2 into 7 into 6.
4, 6, 6, 8. 1 minute. So this is 3 square. This is 7 square. So 2 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. This is 32 into 21. 32 ones are 32. 32 twos are 64. 692 na Dhoni?
So 672.
672. 32 into 21. 32 and then 64. Yeah, 672. Okay, Dhoni, this much we'll do today. We'll continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Dhoni, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Thank you.